Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial we are going to cover the class 5th of Microsoft PowerPoint for beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we are standing on Insert tab, in which we are having some of the options left, like we have got date and time, apply date and time, slide number, header, footer. These are some sort of options which I must have taught you in the previous tutorial. Like this is header and this is footer. Apply to all. Now you can see sort of page number is there, or slide number is there, date is there, and so many things are there. So let's try to go for object. Well, object is something, if you want to open any sort of different file from any sort of different software, you can go and double click on that. See, that will be working for you. And if you want to get rid of that, you have to hold the escape button on your keyboard, or click the escape button on your keyboard. So let's try to learn about symbols. Click there, go for symbol. Now we've got symbols there. Now for example, I want this symbol. I have to be double clicking on any sort of symbol I want. So this is something that is related to symbols. If I may go for video, click there, go for video on my PC. You can also go for this option, online video. However, we are going to go for this option, which is known as video on my PC. Click on that and go for this video. Maybe you are having different sort of videos. So I may be clicking on this video, hit enter or insert. So we've got the video. Let me play the video that is present there. So now you can see that video is playing, but there is no sound inside video. Let me stop that. And we've got format tab for that. We've got video styles there. If I go for this, I must be applying sort of frames on these, sort of style on this. See, for example, if I apply this, see, that works. Or if I apply this, now you can see that that is being converted to sort of frame or sort of style design. You can also convert that to sort of shape, like I have converted that to sort of shape. You can also apply this. See, that works. You can also play the video similarly. You can also go for video border. You can also apply the border to the video that you have on interface. However, these are some useless options according to me. Let me apply this. See, that works. Go back for format, video effects, reflection. You can apply the reflection. Let me apply sort of different one so that you can see that this is present there. Go for video borders, go for video effects. You can also apply the shadow. Now it is being converted to sort of observable shape. See, that works. You can also go for soft edges, bevel. Even you can apply the video or the shape that was applied on video. You can also convert that to sort of bevel and 3D. See that work. That is amazing, I think. Now let me play the video this time. See, that is working. Let me convert my video to normal and go for correction. Now we have got some sort of corrections there. See, if I apply that, sort of effect is applying there, or sort of color or design is applying there. We have also got the color there. If I apply this, now you can see clearly that we have got sort of color there. Reset design. So now it is being reset. You can also crop from this place to this place. Hit enter or click on crop. Now play the video. Now you can see that the video is cropped. Go for height and width. If I apply this, see, well, the option that is present inside insert tab, which is known as video and audio, are sort of useless options according to me, but these are really used according to usage or according to need. Let me delete that out and go for design. We've got design tab there. We are having different and beautiful sort of styles there. Like if I go for this, apply this, and now you can name this place, and you can also fill that by typing some sort of thing. Let me go for this, and you can also go for variants. You can go for variants. You can change its style, any style you want. You can also even change the font style. Now you must observe that I am changing the font size. Let me go for effects, and there is another option which is known as background style, through which you can change the style of the background, or through which you can change the background. Make sure to go for format background, click there. We've got many of the options inside that. Like for example, if I go for solid fill, this is something that sort of single color is being applied there. If I go for this color, or I may increase the transparency, apply to all, see, that works. Because I have go for gradient fill. Gradient fill is something that that means two colors or more than two colors of combination of colors is called gradient. If I click on this, go for this color, and click on the second slide, click on this color, apply to all, see, that is giving the result professionally and magnificently. And you can similarly apply the gradient over there. You can go for radial, linear, apply to all, linear, radial. I have to be, I think so, applying time and again, see, path, apply to all, linear, apply to all, go for this, apply to all. So this is something that you can just play with it. More colors, click on this, apply to all, go for position, hold that, click that and hold that, which means that you can move the slide to right side or to left side. And similarly you can move that, and you can play with transparency there, apply to all, see, that works. Brightness, apply to all, see, that's giving sort of magnificent effect there. Go for picture or texture fill. You can take any sort of picture you want. For example, if I may go for downloads, if I have any sort of picture there in order to be applying, for example, I want to apply this, apply to all, see, that is being applied. Sort of a beautiful effect, sort of beautiful result this is giving. You can play with transparency as I told you. And you can play with offset left. You have to be applying that time and again. Go for pattern fill, click on that. Foreground color, click on that, click there, and click on that, click there, apply to all. Now you can play with patterns, like going for this one, applying that, and similarly applying that. See, sort of beautiful color and sort of beautiful pattern is there. Hide background, apply to all. Solid color, I may go for this color, apply to all. Now that is being changed to sort of simple design. And similarly we have got slide size, that means page size, but over here we are talking about slide size. Go for standard, maximize, that is giving something result like that. If I go for widescreen, and that will be giving results something like that. Slide size, standard, ensure fit, maximize, and custom slide size. There are some sort of custom slide sizes which you can apply according to your wish, according to your need. Portrait, okay, maximize. See, that works, and that is giving the result according to the command. And we have got format background, which is something same I have taught you inside format styles, which were there, in which were present inside orientation. Format background, which is almost the same thing. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.